All right, so here we go. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to copy an old strength metcon over. This is 2 4 uh 2 5. So I'm going to go to copy Y to another day. 2 5 is Wednesday, right? Yep, that's right. 2 5. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the appropriate date in here. 2 5 2 5 2020 strength 2 4 2 4, and I'm going to click save. Now remember, the key thing you're honing in on is when you're inputting the like your keywords 15 minutes to complete, you'll see the word SSW. It means like it needs to be measured. It's a measurable thing. It's an Olympic lift. So the first thing you're going to do when you get that push jerk, so we are going to go to create custom component. I'm just gonna create one. New weightlifting total. It might already be in the database. I'm sorry. New weightlifting. There we go. I'm going to type in the word push jerk. I see we can put that in. I'm going to delete this, okay? I'm going to go to new component and see if I actually have push jerk. I actually have it. Push jerk is in the database. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So because it's in the database, I'm good to go. Push jerk. Now I'm going to put in my data for it. Push jerk is 6x2. 6 sets of 2. And the rep scheme is 6x2. There you go. I'm going to go to comment. I'm going to go to add my pieces in here. 6 thirds. 15 minutes to complete push jerk building 6x2. Working between athletes should. Yep. I'm just going to put a space in there. Put a space there. I think you got an error.
Which one?
2 5. It's SS with L sit holds. You need to put that twice because it's 2 different pieces. 6x2.
It says choose one, so it goes with either one.
But when I put it in, I'm going to put push jerk and I'm going to put a split jerk. That's why. But I mean, otherwise that would have been right. So there, L sit holds 3 times 30 seconds. I'm going to click save. There we go. So push jerk 6x2, superset with L sit holds. That's my push jerk. So from there, that's one metcon. And then we see it again. We got split jerk. So all I'm going to do is add custom component. I'm going to type in split jerk. Here, there's my custom component again. I'm going to go 6x2. I'm going to copy the rep scheme from above because it was just in there. Save. Oops.
I'm opening the door today.
I would agree. Good. I got my split jerk, my push jerk. I'm actually going to edit this because it's supposed to say 6x2. I missed that. 6x2. And I'm going to click save.
Hold one moment.
Now that I got those in Ruby, I'm going to come over here.
Hey.
5 rounds for time. When you see RFT, it means rounds. I'm going to put time. No notes.
Hey, how are you all? We met.
And I'm going to go to save.
Yeah.
You see that? You see the open quote right there? Let me edit that.
All right, Miss Susan, I'm ready for your routing.
Click save.
Okay.
And there we go.
What
Go ahead.
what does Metcon means?
Metabolic conditioning.
Okay.
It means
All right.
designed to get your heart
Gotcha.
rate up.
All right.
Strength, Metcon. I can delete this. I don't need this here. There you go. So then I just ordered it, right? Check out my order. It is strength, strength. So I got my two, either push jerk or split jerk, and then you got your Metcon. That's the whole thing laid out. It looks clean, it's concise. I mean, really, Ruby, it's just a copy and paste. Now, let me show you what the client sees. So I'm gonna go to today, 6x2. You're gonna go to WOD. Let's drop down strength. There it is, right? So hang, squat, cling, 15 minutes, 3x3 weighted plank, and then there is your AMRAP, okay? So Ruby, real quick, just to familiarize you, I don't know, do you know how to barbell lift?
No.
Okay. Just, if you ever want to know, and this is just to educate you, like, you know, when
Yeah.
people ask what we do and stuff, it works a lot better when you have, you know, a staff member that does this stuff. But at the same time, you can
Yes,
also
yes.
educate yourself. I type in high, hang, clean. And if you ever just want to know, like this is a high hang clean.
Okay.
Does that help you, Ruby?
Yeah.
So what it is that if I lift and you lift, you're going to have a different weight than me. I need to be able to record this in here. So for example, I'm going to go to coach board, right? Coach board, and I'm going to go to drop down, strength class, and I'm going to click the 6 a.m. Basically, I can sign in. So Caleb Turner did a high hang clean, and if you click on his name, you can see the weight he did, right? And then if you go to his Metcon, right, you can see how many rounds he got done. The Metcon is this. And how many times did him and his partner get through that? So that's kind of what this is. You give the client, when you input the data in, right, the client can record. Think of it as a way of gamifying. Gamifying is my word. Gamifying meaning like every day I want to get better. I just don't want to be in the gym. If we're going to do high hang cleans every week for 4 weeks, I want to go heavier every time. It gives a member a certain incentive to not only go in there for their health, but to go in there and have something to attack, like a tangible quantitative number to attack. And more so, the people, when you load it in here, people can look at this app on their phone and say, hey, we're doing high hang cleans tomorrow. Let me bring my different type of shoes. Let me bring my different type of wraps. That's it. Go to, oh, while I got it on here, I'm going to stay on here. I got 5 more minutes. Let's do boot camp. So you got 2 types. You got CrossFit, boot camp. CrossFit, boot camp. So boot camp, Are you on boot camp yet, dog?
Yeah, man.
Can I do 2-4? Can I attack 2-4 now? Okay, 2-4 is good. So what I'm gonna do is this one's a little bit simpler. So Ruby, the CrossFit one's a little more in depth. The boot camp one is literally like a copy and paste. I'm gonna click this, Command C. I'm gonna come back over to Wodify. So I need to dip back into that. app.wodify.com. I'm gonna go to list. I'm gonna go to, now we're gonna copy a boot camp. We got 2-3. Let's get 2-4 in. 2-3. Copy what? How did everybody like the boot camp walk today?
Smooth.
I love that concept, actually. I think that's a crazy cool concept. 0-2-4, 2-20. And this needs to say the same thing. These two are always going to say this, it's the same thing. 2-4, 2-3, 2-3, 5. And I'm going to go to save. Now, remember, this is yesterday's workout. I'm going to come into Metcon, I'm going to delete it. Literally no thinking, copy and paste. All these quotes, I'm removing the quotes. I'm making sure everything's lined over to the side. Remember, Nick does me and Nick do all the thinking. Literally, you're just kind of plugging this in. But your part is intricate, and I'll be honest, it's something that we can do, Ruby. It's just very tedious, and me and Nick have like a lot more things to be doing. Coach's notes. It's literally just data entry. I forgot my notes. I want to add my coach's notes so people can know how to attack the workout. Split groups evenly. Delete the quote. Delete the quote. Go to save. And then honor roll, right? We include some extra if people want to get that done. For Imam, Command C, edit. And we got you locked in. 4-minute Imam. Save. It's in. Everything looks good. Everything's clean. I'm going to double check one more time to make sure that everything's right. Imam 12C. Good. While I'm here, let's just go hit the next one. Copy wide to another day. I'm going to go ahead and attack 12-5 or 2-5. So 2-5. 2-5. That always has to say 2-4 at 5 o'clock. Boot camp. I'm going to click save. I don't know. Now I'm going to go make sure this is 2-5. Go as far as possible in 20 minutes. It's an ascending ladder. Command C. Edit. Remember, this is yesterday's. We're just going to delete it. Delete it. Command V. Copy and paste. Boom, boom, boom. You don't need to separate that. South should go as far. South location, row burpees. Row burpees. Nick put that in perfectly. Nice assist on the separating that. And then I'm going to add I keep forgetting to add my comment. Got to add your comment. Got to add your comment.
Bro, you open the door, bro. I can't handle that. I can't, bro. Like, he's like behind me, too. I can't handle that shit.
Hold on. Mobility flow. And there you go. That's how you add boot camp in. And then, you can obviously check what you got. There's 29 days in February. And when you go to your list, this is what you want to see. 2-4 boot camp, 2-4 strength, 2-5 strength, 2-5 boot camp, all the way to 229.
Okay, so it should be both boot camp and strength.
Yeah.